Chef Sudhakar, Director Principal Culinary Academy of India. This is my wife Vijay Lakshmi, purely a homemaker and I can say a molder of our kids how to be successful. We are doing this poor feeding just to get the blessings of the people for my son, who's among the 8 Indians who got the license to play soccer in Europe, and he's the youngest among them. He got his license in Europe to play junior league at 18 years and 1 month, and now he's playing for CD Zativa Olympic in Spain. And right now I would like to tell you about this Reach Out. Reach Out is yet to be an registered NGO. This corpus fund for this Reach Out NGO is the cash gifts received for Adarsh's birthday from his childhood, and we have collected all that money, made it into a fund, and that fund will be moved into this NGO called Reach Out. And our job is to reach out to all the people who are in needy, whether it's sports, education, medical, whatever within our small means. If we can reach out to them, we will definitely do. We only pray and look for my son's success in future, and with all these blessings I'm sure he's going to achieve it. It is not easy, when there was 2020 May, the entire world was in COVID grip, and he said that no daddy, I have to go back to Spain to get my license before I complete 18 years. He went there in that pandemic time and he still achieved it. That is the biggest satisfaction. His goals are to play for one of the best European team or come back and play for Indian team. Already a lot of people are looking at him as a very good player for Telangana. The Hyderabad Football Club is also looking at him. Yeah. Thank you.